Al Nassr finally lost a game of football. After going 20 straight matches, that winning streak was long, and this loss was coming. And I think this is one of the greatest tests they have faced in a long while, and they lost the match. But then, we are still going to win the league. If you think that we're not going to win the league, this is impossible. We're still going to win the league. Still 5 points with Al Hilal having a game at hand, hoping they are going to either draw or lose their match. But then all the people that were shouting all this while that they want to read the league for Al Nassr. Can you see now? Al Nassr has just been beaten. But then we are going stronger. The last 3 matches of the season, Al Nassr 7 points. And we grab the league. Yeah. Ronaldo is still going to win the league this season. And after that, he's going to crown it with the league, AFC League 2. Then after that, World Cup, then we go for what?